Welcome to the workshop, friends. So I want to do a quick update when it comes to the Honda HSS products that I offer. I've been getting a lot of inquiries. I had to make a batch of auger flaps, and I just did that today, and I have a few sets available. I will put the eBay link down below for the auger flaps as well as my chute deflector that I make, custom molded and pre-fit. I've been getting a lot of emails and questions about if I have them for sale, concerning the auger flaps, as well as people asking me for the chute deflector. Now, some people actually have asked me, and I have someone sending me a brand new Honda chute because the person just doesn't have the time or the tools to do it correctly like I have shown in my videos. Okay, so that person is sending me their chute, brand new chute from Honda, and then I'm going to go ahead and modify it, drill for the chute cover, touch up the grinding marks, and I'm going to take out the old collar. I'm going to delete out that U-shaped collar. Okay, even the upgraded model chutes still can pose a problem. You don't need a collar at the bottom of a chute. Okay, let's get that fact straight. So I removed the collar at the bottom of the chute, and then I go ahead and touch up the actual chute with the Honda red paint, and then install the chute cover. That's going to cost obviously more money because I'm doing all the custom work myself and then sending back the customer the finished chute with my custom pre-fit chute deflector already built in, ready to go. All they got to do is take off their existing one and put on the highly modified one that I provide. So I also offer that service, so if you want that, email me down below. We can talk about pricing and how long it takes, etc. But the auger flaps, I went ahead today and made a whole batch of these. Okay, you're going to get 10 in one set. This is good enough for a Honda HSS 1332. And basically, these keep always moving as the auger is rotating, okay? And then the snow basically can't hang on to anything, and these flaps break up the snow and slush buildup. And when you stop your machine, you go to look at your auger, there's going to be nothing on it because this is going to prevent any snow and ice buildup because these are in constant motion. Okay, this is the whole concept behind these. The auger flaps, they'll rotate, and they're weighed down by that little fastener here, so they always want to stay. Even though they might get rotated up, they're going to want to fall, and that constant motion is what keeps the auger clear of snow and slush buildup. So I made a whole bunch of these. These are ready to go. They're pre-fit. You just got to basically unscrew them and attach them over your auger shaft. They will fit any snowblower with a 1-inch auger shaft. Okay, so they can basically be used on any snowblower, MTD, ariens, Toro, Husqvarna, whatever you have. You can go ahead and use these. Okay, but you're going to get in the set 10 of them. So that'll cover you for up to a 32-inch snowblower. Also, I have the updated chute deflector and chute cover. Okay, so this is the updated one. I have a larger opening so it's more forgiving, just in case people want to get their tool in there to clean it out. Okay, same material as always. I've been making them. Stainless steel fasteners, nylon washers, that way a nice professional look. Okay, pre-fit and pre-molded for the Honda HSS chute. I will offer possibly in the future this same chute cover for the Ariens Krakens or Ariens series of snowblowers. I have to, buy a chute essentially and, mock up a chute with a new design and provide a custom cover for that chute, for the Ariens chute. So the Ariens Krakens, the more expensive snowblowers, people tend to want to have these. They realize that this is a great thing to have because it prevents the blow-by when you rotate to each extreme. So when you rotate all the way clockwise on the Honda, it actually will shoot backwards. Okay, when it shoots backwards, it delivers and discharges snow all over the headlight, all over the hood, and all over the operator in the dashboard. So this is going to prevent that to almost 90% or about that. Okay, you're going to still have some come out because of right here, but it's going to be mitigated, like I said, 90%. Okay, you can't prevent everything because you might have some powdery snow, and just the nature of being outside when it's snowing with snow going everywhere, you will still get a tiny bit of buildup, but this drastically improves the amount of crap delivered on top of your machine, all over the gas tank, the headlight, the auger housing. This really cleans it up nice. So this is for the HSS, but like I said, I will maybe step up and offer it for the big boy ariens, the big boy Husqvarna, and the big boy Toro, because those are great machines, okay? But I want to just do a quick update video telling you guys I have these in stock, these chute covers for the Honda HSS. And also, like I said, I have these now in stock. I'll put all the information down below, eBay listing and my email. So if you want to email me directly to get a little bit better of a pricing on these or the chute deflector, or as a kit, as a, you know, a package, I can do that too. But check it out. I have the information down below the video. And stay tuned for more Honda snowblower videos. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.